Today I'm going to show you how to record slow motion videos on your Vivo Y20, Y20i, Y19 Pro and Y30. It's super easy and I'll walk you through the steps. Let's get started. First, unlock your device and open the camera app. You can find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once the camera app is open, swipe left or right to switch to video mode. This is where we'll access the slow motion feature. Now look for the more options, usually represented by the three dots or a similar icon. Tap on it to see additional camera features. Here you should see the slow motion option. Tap on it to enable slow motion recording. Before you start recording, you can adjust the slow motion settings if needed. Some models allow you to select slow motion frame rate, so explore the settings to find what works best for you. Now you're ready to record, just press the rate button to start capturing your slow motion video. Once you're done, press the rate button again to stop recording. Your slow motion video will automatically save to your gallery. And that's it. You've successfully recorded a slow motion video on your Vivo device.